Hey, this is Hans, coming at you with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Done over 3,000 reviews, so I guess it's time to do an episode that has really not much anything to do with instant noodles. I am doing, well, it kind of does. I'm doing a, what do you call it? A meet the manufacturer with a company called Hakubaku, and they make some badass ramen. And they sent me this. Oh God. Oh, it's not leaking. Mochi Barley, pearlized, Japanese style pearlized barley. It's supposed to be super good for you. I cooked some up, and I'm going to use this new contraption I got. Show it off. What is that contraption, you ask? This. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I needed it. Absolutely knew. And now you're like, Ultimate TKG, what's that? TKG is Tamago Kake Gohan, which means egg on rice. Sounds more impressive in Japanese, doesn't it? Everything does. Here it is. So, how does it work? Wait, I'll show you. Are you ready to lose your freaking mind? Now, first off, you're probably going to lose your mind because you use a raw egg. Deal with it. Egg. And you ready? Here, let me make sure that you can totally see this, because this is pretty impressive. So what it's going to do is it's going to crack the egg, separate it down here, and then whip the yolk. So first off, we're going to crack it, lock it, drop it. Here it goes. It's kind of quiet at first. Takes a minute. It's spinning right now. This is a jumbo egg, so it's kind of, you know, I'm pretty sure the optimum egg for this is probably a US medium or small, you know. I could be wrong about that, but I really don't know how big the eggs in Japan are, so. I want to thank my mother-in-law for this. She gave me a card so I could get it for my birthday, so thank you. And you can probably hear it's going a little faster. Can you see it down there? It's starting to get all frothy and whippy. Okay. It's all angry. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I can't read Japanese, so I don't know like the optimum amount of time to use for this thing is, but just kind of let it get really, really high up there. And that's probably good right there, because it's starting to flop all over the place. Alright, let me get a napkin. For those of you flipping out, why is he in a chair? He's such a lazy bastard. I walk 8 miles this morning, so suck it. Yeah. And for those of you who say, wow, that's cool, thank you. Alright. So we'll take this out. Put this here. Put this here for the moment. And now, we're going to put our... See, can you see that? Yeah, here, let's put you on the platform of glory. Kind of like that. And we have some of the stuff right here that I just got some on my shirt. So yeah, this is mochi barley. It's got like lots of fiber. And you cook it like pasta, which is kind of cool. Alright, so use okay. So here's the whipped egg white. And then the star of our show, maybe if I put a little divot here. This is only the second time I've actually used it. Gave it kind of a trial run last night. Okay. You're like, wow, that's it? No, that is not it. I'm gonna do a little bit of, got some Wei Wong soy sauce from Taiwan. Like, why are you using Taiwanese soy sauce? It's like, it's what I like and it's what I got. And then I got some furikake. This is mentaiko furikake. Mentaiko is cod roe. It's fish egg. Put a little right here. And then a little bit of spring onion. And now you may enjoy. Yeah, so I like this stuff. It's not bad. I mean, it's got a lot of... You can definitely tell that there's a lot of fibrousness to it. That's something I like. Some you might not. But, yeah, it's just decent stuff. And it's really easy to make. You just throw it in the pot for 15 to 20 minutes. Cook it like pasta. But you can also make it like with a combo of the barley and regular rice if you want. Like in a rice pot, rice cooker, something like that. So, yeah, I gotta go take pictures of this stuff, but yeah, there'll be a regular review style post, so I'll let you know what I think of it. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.